Hi, I'm Allie Reynolds with Allie's Organics, and I want to show you and talk to you a little bit about applying red mulch. This is not red mulch. This is just a regular organic mulch. Red mulch is red, and it'll come in different sizes. This is a real fine type of a mulch, and a lot of times you'll find the red mulch in the bigger chunks like this right here. Red mulch has been dyed, and so I wouldn't use it in a vegetable garden because some of those dyes can be toxic for your plants, so it's not considered an organic mulch for your gardens. Now you could lay down some landscape fabric so that things don't come up from the bottom, and punch holes in that mulch to be able to plant things, or just put it around. Lay it around the plants, couple inches thick. You can use a rake just to smooth it out if you're dumping it by a truckload maybe, and just keep it not too thick. Couple of inches is all you're going to need. Eventually the red mulch does fade out though, so don't get too discouraged about that. One thing that you can do is just kind of move that mulch around, and then that'll bring what's on the bottom to the surface, and then it'll be red again because it will leach out with the sunshine. But red mulch is nice because it keeps, just mulch in general is nice because it keeps the moisture in the ground and keeps your plants healthier. No matter what color your mulch is, it's going to help keep the moisture in your soil, help with the evaporation, cut down on your water bill, and just overall give your plants a healthier living environment.